Hello traders, welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Thailand, sunny skies and hot. Good to be with you. It is a Wednesday, the 9th of May, and it's currently 7:18 in the morning, and that would be 2018 on a Tuesday night. Yes, the my investing.com website will not load today. You know, it's a computer nightmare day since about 4:45 this morning. It's been a battle all day so far with loading programs, updates, just that garbage that happens. Anyhow, I just found FX3, just needed to make sure I got what happened in news today. So President Trump did his thing, and I don't know what happened with oil. Did it go up or did it go down? I wasn't even going to go to another website to find it, but hopefully my investing.com site will be working tomorrow. So today we have Westpac Consumer Confidence out of the Aussie today, and leading economic index out of Japan. No big deal there. You always got retail sales today, as you can see, month on month, year on year. Not a lot, I gotta tell you. Not a lot at all. Crude oil stock change for today. Wholesale inventories, like who cares? The CAD's got building permits month on month for March today. Producer price index exception is food and energy for April out of the U.S. today. So let's just take a look at what's going on tomorrow. Monetary interest rate decision tomorrow out of the Kiwi. They don't expect any change there. And after that, of course, a couple of speakers, nothing really big there, and we'll be on by then. All right, let's get to the charts, and let's see what is going on. There we go, got some charts for you. All right, so this is New Zealand dollar. Finally broke out of our little range, well, pretty big range, that we set up earlier. So now we're just going to remove all that, right? Because now that is void. That is done. See you later, alligator. All right, this one we'll just move over here. All right, what's our trade for today? Well, you would think the 200, right? You would think that, but I'm not convinced. So let's get a Fibonacci tool on here, and let's just fib this whole thing. And let's see where we're at here. So I'm saying, you know what? If we can get to the 50% Fibonacci level, we probably have a decent move to the downside. The 382 is okay. The problem is you're going right back into support. So you really want this giving us a pullback up to that 50% fib, and we can take that down. If you wanted a counter trend trade, you would do it right from where it's at, get a bullish candlestick formation, and head on to the upside. So that's what's going on with New Zealand dollar. I didn't see this. I also didn't see the pound make its move yesterday, but it did. It's sort of like I was in London, and I sort of saw a couple of blue candles, and I'm like, well, let's take a look at the old pound, but it's really made a move up. And this is, so here's our pound. Well, actually, you look at this chart, we're in a great, bring it on, right? Bring it on. So, we'll bring that back down to that low there. We can bring this over here. So we want this to come up to the 200, and we'll sell it at 35.80, which is nice. The problem is, folks, you're coming right back into a mess here. And we don't like that. But this pair is bearish, right? We know it's bearish. So we're just going to play that role that it's bearish. We want to sell it. But I got to tell you, I don't like it. I really don't like where it's at. Because you're going to come back into this junk left of the chart here. And this is going to be this kind of motion through the day. This needs to either pop up or pop down and actually break the support line, retest it, and sell it from there. This doesn't look healthy to me. This doesn't look like a pair you want to trade. We'll stay away from that today. So let's go and check out the dollar CAD. So I've got to have the CL on here somewhere. Let's see what oil did. There we go, CL. That's not it. The other CL. The other CL, William. Oh, I can't believe I don't have oil in here. Okay, anyhow. So whatever, I can't find what oil is. It's driving me crazy. So, it had a little move here, but I don't think, the U.S. president pulling out of the Iranian deal is a big deal because oil didn't do anything. I mean, it moved down a little bit, but, and I'm reading this from this chart, I don't know what oil's current price is because my tools aren't working on my other chart. So, yeah, no change. I wouldn't want to be doing anything with this because I'm biased. This is to the upside, so I really want to take this and buy this. So, really, if you put it down to that level right there, well, we could do the whole thing, really. No, I don't want to do the whole thing, do I? No, you want to do the swing right there. We'll do that swing right there. Yeah. So if you can get this, you can get this down to 382. Take that baby to the upside. I'm bullish in this pair. I'm not bearish in this pair. I'm bullish in this dollar CAD. So I want to buy this and see what happens there. Let's take a look at the Aussie. Oh, oh, we did that already. Like when your day starts off bad at 5 in the morning, it just like ruins the whole thing. It really does, folks. It's now got me like all out of sync, and it started in New York. This nightmare started in New York when I couldn't get my trading, my options trading platform to open, right? And I messed with that for over, and I couldn't get it to open. So yeah, that's it. That's what happens. So what are we going to do here? Well, I just want to sell the Aussie. Again, broke out, right? Beautiful test of the 200 exponential moving average. It doesn't get no better than that, folks. You'd really like to see this pull back up to there. If you want to counter trend trade this, of course, you want to take it from like there to the upside. But yeah, we'd like to see this come up. I don't think that's going to happen today. I mean, look at these EMAs. They're points to the downside. The 10 is right on top of price. This is just bearish, bearish, bearish. And looks like it's going to continue that. It just looks like it's going to continue the downside. So you might want to go to a 15-minute chart and see if you can get a spot where you can get in this. But right at the moment, it's sideways. As my friend Chris would say, L for lower. And it just looks like it's just going to make that letter L and just continue to the downside. I don't see this pulling back. And there's no data coming out that's gonna change this move here. So we'll just leave that as it is. Let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. This is really one of my favorites. I got to be honest with you. Look at this, huh? Overshoot above the 200, continues to the upside. Now we want to sell it. This is a wide open space, so this scares you, right? So now I'm looking at, things that there's nothing left of the chart here. So who knows how far this is going to go? But I'd like to see this go up to 58.80, and we'll sell it there, right? Overshoot of the 200. Now it's in an up move. It's taken out. Well, yeah, it looks like it's spiked above that 59.43 area. It looks like it popped above it. Now it's at 59.47. You know, if it breaks 59.60, I think there's a good chance we can do that. That's another area that we can take this to the downside, would be the 80 area. So let's do that. Yeah, so I think the thing we're gonna have to worry about is the 55 yeah, I just leave that. Just stay at 59.80 and take it down from there. Right? Just leave that. I think that's okay. And we'll just leave it like that and let it go. Look at these EMAs though. Look at this. 10 EMA right below price, right? The 55 curving to the upside, the 200 on the right on the end there, curving to the upside, right? And yeah, this is just doing its thing and just moving on up. I mean, you really don't want to long this from here, right? You don't want to long this from here because it's just, you know, it could stop and just turn around on us. So I wouldn't long it from here. We missed the boat. If you want to long it, you needed to long it off the green line being the 200 exponential moving average on the chart. That's where you should have longed that if that's what you were looking at to long it, right? You don't want to long this here. Yeah, so not a lot. I think it's going to be a good trading day. Stuff's happening, you know. Just remember about news. Let's talk about data here for a second. And I want to go over my time, but remember something, folks. Don't listen to all this crap out there about news, okay? We need news because news moves our markets. But it only moves our markets for a little bit. And then it comes back to what I call the mean, right? It comes back to where it was, right? So don't get all hyped about news and, you know, this is the play. And don't listen to these bank people, you know, the Fed and all that. They're all full of crap. They don't know. These people going out and saying, oh, we got 4 more rate hikes. Really? You got 4 more rate hikes. Okay. You know, they come up with stuff that's just all just junk, just to make them look good and sell books. I don't know what. Sell articles. I don't know what. I don't even listen to them anymore. I really don't. I don't care if they speak or not, right? Work your charts. Trade your charts. Technical analysis. Know the news is there. Respect it, but don't listen to it. That's my advice for today. Hey, let's take a look at the dollar index. So this is the U.S. dollar index. You know, I don't know. You know, it had a little jump down there, but we're still above 93, folks. We're above 93. You know, again, I don't know what the problem is. You know, like I said, I don't know what oil went to, which is driving me crazy. I will look after I shut this down, but like, this is beautiful, right? It didn't affect the dollar. The dollar is still strong, and that's what we want. Traders, thank you so much for being with me today. Sorry I'm like out of it today. I've been battling with this computer since about 4:45 this morning. It's just driving me crazy. Traders, have a great trading day. We'll see you tomorrow morning in Asia. Take care now. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. Catch you then. Bye-bye.